Elon Musk is undoubtedly one of the most influential entrepreneurs of our time. As the visionary leader behind Tesla, SpaceX, Neuralink, and several other groundbreaking ventures, Musk has become synonymous with innovation and disruption. Tesla, under his leadership, transformed from a niche electric vehicle startup into a global powerhouse that has reshaped the automotive industry and accelerated the world's shift to sustainable energy. But what if Elon Musk were suddenly fired or forced out of Tesla? What would happen to the company, the electric vehicle market, Musk's other ventures, and even the broader tech and business world? In this video, we will explore this intriguing and complex scenario in depth. We will analyze how Tesla might fare without Musk at the helm, how the stock market and investors would react, the impact on the electric vehicle revolution, Musk's personal and professional future, and the ripple effects on industries connected to his work. The possibility of Musk leaving Tesla might seem far-fetched to some, but it is a useful thought experiment to understand how much influence one individual wields over a corporation and the tech ecosystem. First, it's important to recognize Elon Musk's unique role in Tesla's success. Musk is not just a CEO, he's the visionary driving the company's mission. His ability to inspire employees, attract media attention, and communicate a bold vision for the future has been a core part of Tesla's identity. From developing cutting-edge battery technology to pushing the boundaries of autonomous driving, Musk's hands-on involvement has propelled Tesla ahead of many established automakers. If Musk were fired, one immediate question would be, who would replace him? The choice of successor is critical. Tesla's board of directors would likely search for someone with deep experience in the automotive industry, expertise in electric vehicle technology, and strong leadership skills. However, finding a visionary with Musk's combination of technical knowledge, marketing prowess, and public appeal would be difficult. A more traditional CEO might focus on operational efficiency and profitability, rather than aggressive innovation and risk-taking. Without Musk's bold vision, Tesla could risk losing its edge as a pioneer. Competitors such as Ford, General Motors, Volkswagen, and new entrants like Rivian and Lucid Motors are aggressively expanding their electric vehicle offerings. If Tesla becomes more risk-averse or less innovative, it could lose market share and momentum. Investor confidence would also be tested. Tesla's stock price has often been linked to Musk's personal brand and announcements. Markets tend to react strongly to any news regarding Musk's involvement. If he were fired, investors might interpret it as a sign of instability or a shift away from the company's ambitious goals, potentially triggering a sell-off. However, some investors and analysts argue that Tesla could benefit from a leadership change. Musk's leadership style is often described as demanding and unpredictable. Some critics say this has caused internal conflicts, production delays, and regulatory issues. A more steady and conventional management team might bring stability, improve operations, and enhance Tesla's long-term sustainability. Employees would face a cultural shift as well. Many Tesla workers are motivated by Musk's vision and charismatic leadership. Without him, morale might suffer, and retaining top talent could become a challenge. Conversely, some employees might welcome a change toward a more predictable and organized corporate environment. On the product side, Tesla has several ongoing projects and future plans. These include expanding production capacity with gigafactories worldwide, advancing full self-driving software, developing new vehicle models like the Cybertruck and Semi, and integrating renewable energy solutions. Leadership transitions often slow down or disrupt innovation pipelines. There is a risk that Tesla's ambitious roadmap could be delayed or scaled back. The impact on Elon Musk personally would be profound. Musk's identity is closely tied to Tesla. If fired, he might redirect his focus entirely toward his other ventures, SpaceX, Neuralink, the Boring Company, or newer projects. SpaceX in particular could see an influx of Musk's energy and resources, accelerating humanity's efforts in space exploration. Alternatively, Musk might seek new entrepreneurial opportunities, perhaps starting fresh ventures that disrupt other industries. Public and media reactions would be intense. Musk is a polarizing figure admired by many and criticized by others. His firing would dominate headlines worldwide, sparking debates about leadership, corporate governance, and innovation. Musk himself is known for his social media presence, and his reaction could influence public opinion and Tesla's brand reputation. Legally and financially, Musk's departure could involve complex negotiations. Tesla's board might buy out his shares or negotiate severance terms. Musk holds a significant equity stake in Tesla, and his stock sales or transfers could influence market dynamics. There are also broader industry implications. Tesla has driven the push towards sustainable transportation globally. Without Musk's leadership, other automakers might seize the opportunity to accelerate their electric vehicle programs. Alternatively, if Tesla falters, it could slow the overall adoption of electric vehicles, impacting climate change efforts. The regulatory landscape could also shift. Tesla has faced scrutiny from agencies like the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, over issues such as autopilot safety and production practices. New leadership might adopt a different approach to compliance and government relations, potentially easing or increasing regulatory pressures. Competitors are likely to react quickly to any leadership changes at Tesla. Companies such as GM, Volkswagen, Toyota, and emerging players in China might intensify their campaigns to capture Tesla's market share. This could lead to increased innovation and competition, benefiting consumers but challenging Tesla's dominance. On the technological front, Tesla has been a leader in battery technology, electric drivetrains, software integration, and over-the-air updates. Without Musk's direct involvement, research and development priorities might shift, impacting the pace of technological breakthroughs. Tesla's unique brand image, heavily tied to Musk's persona, might undergo rebranding or repositioning. Marketing strategies could focus more on product features, reliability, and customer service, rather than Musk's charisma and futuristic vision. From a financial perspective, Tesla's valuation might face volatility. Musk's leadership and public statements have contributed to Tesla's high market capitalization, sometimes seen as disconnected from traditional financial metrics. A change at the top could lead analysts to reevaluate Tesla's worth based on fundamentals rather than hype. Employee stock options and compensation packages might be reevaluated. Musk's presence has attracted talent partly through the promise of stock value appreciation. Changes in leadership could affect talent acquisition and retention strategies. There are also potential international impacts. Tesla's global expansion, particularly in China and Europe, might be affected by leadership changes. Maintaining strong relationships with foreign governments and partners requires consistent leadership and vision. Interestingly, the culture of innovation fostered by Musk extends beyond Tesla. His approach has influenced Silicon Valley and other technology sectors. His departure might inspire a leadership-style shift in tech startups, either reinforcing traditional management or encouraging new visionary entrepreneurs to emerge. Musk's firing might also influence how boards and shareholders perceive the role of charismatic founders. Companies like Amazon with Jeff Bezos or Apple with Steve Jobs have navigated founder transitions differently. The lessons learned from Musk's case could inform future corporate governance. It is worth noting that Tesla has weathered significant challenges under Musk's leadership, including production bottlenecks, controversies, and legal battles. His resilience and ability to pivot have been key to Tesla's survival and growth. Removing Musk could expose Tesla to new vulnerabilities. From a societal standpoint, Musk's leadership symbolizes a bold vision for the future: space colonization, sustainable energy, and AI integration. His firing might create a vacuum in public imagination regarding technological progress and inspire both pessimism and new opportunities. Furthermore, the effect on Tesla's supply chain should be considered. The company relies on complex global suppliers for batteries, electronics, and raw materials. Leadership uncertainty might disrupt negotiations or cause delays in critical components. On the flip side, fresh leadership could bring renewed focus on sustainability practices and corporate responsibility, addressing criticisms related to labor practices or environmental impact. The role of Tesla's board of directors is central in such a scenario. The board must balance shareholder interests, company stability, and long-term vision. Their decision to fire Musk would reflect deep strategic considerations and potentially signal shifts in company philosophy. Financial markets would watch closely how Musk's departure unfolds. Short-term volatility might be followed by longer-term adjustments as the company and investors recalibrate expectations. Musk's personal brand might evolve after Tesla. He could emerge as a serial entrepreneur in new fields or become a thought leader advocating for technological and social change. In summary, firing Elon Musk from Tesla would have profound and wide-ranging consequences. Tesla's future without its iconic leader is uncertain, with risks and opportunities in equal measure. The electric vehicle industry, investors, employees, competitors, and society would all feel the impact. This scenario underscores the delicate balance between visionary leadership and organizational stability in today's fast-paced innovation economy.